Day 1, Athens, Greece. The ancient Acropolis in Athens stands tall before her, its marble columns glowing in the sunlight. She climbs to the top, feeling a connection to the history that has shaped the world. Day 2, Algarve, Portugal. A quaint fishing village on the coast of Portugal offers a peaceful respite. Emma enjoys fresh seafood by the ocean, listening to the soothing sounds of the waves. Day 3, Burano, Italy. In Burano, the colorful houses reflect in the still waters of the canals. Emma captures the vibrant scene with her camera, each house a different shade of the rainbow. Day 4, Stonehenge, England. Stonehenge looms before her, its ancient stones standing against a cloudy sky. She walks among the stones, pondering the mysteries they hold. Day 5, Edinburgh, Scotland. A sunset over Edinburgh Castle leaves Emma spellbound. As the sky turns to dusk, the castle's silhouette stands proudly against the fiery sky. Day 6, Scottish Highlands, Scotland. The rolling hills of the Scottish Highlands stretch out before her, their beauty wild and untamed. Emma feels a deep connection to nature as she explores this rugged landscape. Day 7, Versailles, France. At the Palace of Versailles, she strolls through the grand gardens, marveling at the opulence of the palace and the intricate designs that surround her. Day 8, Lake Bled, Slovenia. A boat ride on Lake Bled brings her to a small island in the center, where a charming church stands. The calm waters reflect the surrounding mountains, creating a peaceful and serene atmosphere. Day 9, Neuschwanstein Castle, Germany. Emma's fairy tale dreams come true as she visits Neuschwanstein Castle. Perched on a hill, the castle looks like something out of a storybook, its spires reaching towards the sky. Day 10, Barcelona, Spain. The vibrant streets of Barcelona's Gothic quarter buzz with energy. Emma explores the narrow alleys, discovering hidden gems and stunning architecture.
Day 1, Jungfrau, Switzerland. A snowy winter scene in the Swiss Alps offers Emma a day of skiing and snowboarding. The crisp air and fresh snow create a winter wonderland she'll never forget. Day 2, Moscow, Russia. The Kremlin in Moscow stands as a testament to Russia's grand history. Emma walks through the Red Square, taking in the awe-inspiring architecture that surrounds her. Day 3, Bruges, Belgium. The serene canals of Bruges provide the perfect backdrop for a leisurely boat ride. Emma enjoys the tranquility of the city, its medieval charm enchanting her at every turn. Day 4, Cotswolds, England. A misty morning in the English countryside reveals the beauty of the Cotswolds. Emma takes a stroll through the rolling hills, enjoying the peacefulness of the rural landscape. Day 5, Paris, France. Back in Paris, she visits the Louvre, where she is captivated by the grand entrance. Inside, she gets lost in the world of art, each piece telling its own story. Day 6, Geiranger, Norway. The stunning fjords of Geiranger greet her with their dramatic cliffs and deep blue waters. Emma takes a boat tour, marveling at the natural beauty that surrounds her. Day 7, Barcelona, Spain. In Barcelona, the Sagrada Familia leaves her in awe. The intricate details of the basilica's architecture are unlike anything she's ever seen, and she spends hours exploring its wonders. Day 8, Prague, Czech Republic. The romantic Charles Bridge in Prague offers a picturesque view of the city. Emma walks across at sunrise, the city bathed in a golden glow. Day 9, Vienna, Austria. Vienna's ornate palaces take her back in time. She spends the day exploring the grand halls, imagining the lavish balls that were once held there. Day 10, Crete, Greece. A sunset over Crete paints the sky with vibrant colors. Emma enjoys the view from a cliffside restaurant, the Aegean Sea glimmering below.